Hello, my name is Dick Toller, and I am a pattern trader in the Forex markets, and I used to be a pretty good pattern trader in the commodity markets. Switching over to the Forex, a little more exciting actually. You can get into some short-term trades. I have a blog website where you can pick up a free ebook on price patterns at winningforextrades.com. This particular video is going to be about a price pattern that's formed up right here. This is an ascending triangle, and there's another one formed up here. This is a bull flag. It's a nice one too. Explain how I can project these prices up. And at this current time here, there's a 400 or 500 pip gain I'm looking at. It might be worth looking at. Get into this video here now. The second part of this video will come over the next week as the trade develops, and hopefully I'm going to be proven right and the trade will go up. As you can see, this indicator down here is a standard MACD. I'm using this to bolster this trade. It's going up. This is going up. That's one of the indicators I use to qualify my price patterns. Okay, on with the video. Okay, onwards and upwards with this video. As I said, I'm projecting prices for the euro, US dollar, and the Forex to go up to this point right about in here. First projected price is 1.4535. The second projected price being 1.4675. That's a pretty good climbing trading here. It's currently right around 1.4156, so there's 400 or 500 pips there to pick up next week or two maybe. This is a good strong resistance point up here, so it's going to get up here and probably bounce off and then maybe crash through later on. But for now, the strong resistance point right here, there's one here, there's a really strong resistance right in through here. But this will go up. I'm pretty confident. The indicator down here is kind of bolstering this. I'm going to zoom in on this. This day right here, the last bar, is Friday, May 29th of 2009. And come Monday, it'll be tomorrow. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow take off, and hopefully we'll get it next week. It might take a little longer than that, but I don't think so. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on this. The trading platform I'm using here, by the way, is MetaTrader 4, which most Forex people are familiar with. That's pretty good, very simple to work with. This one here is through Alteri. I think they're a pretty good firm. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to fudge it a little bit and put some markings on it, and then I'll bring it up. Okay, here's the zoomed in view of that extended chart I just had up. Put the markings on to kind of expedite the system here a little bit. Time constraints. Takes a lot of time to draw all this stuff and do the counting the fingers and adding up the numbers. Okay, again, here's the first projected price right here, 1.4535. And my second projected price is 1.4675. This trade going up right along through here over the next week or so. How did I get that? Okay, first off, this ascending triangle stuck out like a sore thumb when I spotted it. Doing the numbers here. Here's the base of the triangle right here at 1.2885. And here's the top of this triangle right here, and that's at 1.3710. So you measure this bar right here, and that comes out to 825 pips. So, what do you do with that? You add this number here to this number here. And that gives you your first projected price of 145.35. It's ballpark. To be exact, maybe it'll probably go through it, maybe bounce back a little. The second one, there's a bull flag right here. I really like these bull flags. This one sticks out too, and it's waving. Really a grand little flag to work with. Starts right here, goes up the flagpole here. You measure this point to this low point right here, and it comes out 625 pips. What do you do with that? You add that 625 pips to the top of the pole right here, and that will come out to the second projected price of 1.4675. How do you trade that? Well, you can put in a order right here, somewhere, until it takes off here. Down here, you could do the same thing. Put your order in, and when it triggers, on this bar right here, you're off and running. You use your stops, of course. Trade without stops, it's the same thing as gambling. You don't want to do that. Use some stops. There's no sense in losing anything. Move your stops up as you go along. You can hop back in and out, however you want to do it. This indicator down here is the simple MACD. Everybody has access to these. I have a couple of those, but to keep this simple, I put this on to show how it's going to work out here. I'm going to continue this video next week as it goes on, and I expect it to go up here. And I'll video this along as it goes, and you can see how it's turning out. I really hope that it comes out good. I think it will. These price patterns are pretty good. Now, if you don't know a whole lot about price patterns, you can go onto my site. It's www.winningforextrades.com. And down at the bottom of the page, on the lower left corner, you'll find a little square there that says it's an ebook called Trading Price Patterns. It's a book I wrote about 12 or so years ago. You can pick it up for free. It's a PDF format, so anybody can look at it. And it explains all these. It's kind of handy to have. I'll take a quick shot of it here so you can see what it looks like and where to find it. It's a simple download. I've scanned it. I didn't find any bugs or anything in it. So it should be okay to download. Okay, I'm going to jump over there real quick, give you a look at it, and then I'm going to close down. And come next week, I'll show you part 2 of this. Okay, here's that quick shot of my website, www.winningforextrades.com. There's some toys along here, so if I click this to move it down. A couple of things you can use to move along. A couple of commercials, of course. Down at the bottom, down, right here, over here. This is click to get a free copy. It's trading price patterns for profit in the Forex and futures market. I wrote it primarily for the mini futures market, and then I got waylaid with a brain injury of sorts, so I got away from it for a while. And anyways, these patterns work out as well for the Forex as they did for the commodities. They're a great tool to use. Remember, it's only a tool, so you have to use some good judgment, good money management, and if nothing else, you better use some stop losses. That is essential to good, successful trading. Okay, well, I want to thank you for your time. I'm going to get video number 2 going here as that trade develops and hopefully climbs up to my projected prices. Until then, good trading to everyone.